Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. Today we are going to clean the plastic skirting below this front windshield glass, which is quite visible part. Over the time this black panel looks grayish or brownish due to the dirt and the over exposure to the UV radiation. So we need to clean and treat this plastic panel to make it brand new. So let's start. For cleaning this panel, we are using Zessta car shampoo. We just need 1 cap of shampoo for 1 liter water. By dipping the cleaning brush into the shampoo solution, now you can just clean all this black panel part. For the more clarity, I am using only selective part to clean and keep the remaining for before and after results. This plastic panel is quite rough, and don't hesitate to use this kind of brush, and there will be no scratches, but please avoid the glass panel to get all this shampoo on it. We have different glass cleaner for it. So now I have done lots of efforts, and as you can clearly see, the surf itself is getting brown due to the dirt. Enough brushing right now. We need to wash it with water. Looks better than previous. Now we'll use the microfiber cloth to clean the dirt or any water residues. Looks better finished right now, but the exact results will be after the natural drying itself. So we'll let it dry, and now as you can clearly see, this is little blackish. We have got a good results, but you can clearly see the unwashed material is still here, and it is very grayish or brownish as compared to the black panel. So this was quite effective, and repeated use will make this complete black. We have a different session to make it complete black in one wash. So please stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.